Good morning, children. Hope everyone is doing good. Now, to teach this lesson, I have taken NCERT book, lesson number 1. The title is Crop Production and Management. Children, we have seen two topics yesterday and day before day. Can you remember? Yes. What is that topic? You have learned about a crop, types of crop, agricultural practices and plowing. Yes? Yes. Can you tell me what is the tool used to plow the field? Plow. Yes? What is the name, other name of plowing? Tilling. And what is the one more tool we are using for plowing? Hoe and cultivator. Yes? Can you remember? What are the types of crops? Kharif crop, rabi crop and zaid crop. Okay. I have some questions for you. When does watermelon grows? You all know that it will be more available in summer season. Yes? So that is a zaid crop. Okay. Now let us go to today's session. Now I am going to teach you the second step of agricultural process, that is sowing. Children, can you tell me, without sowing the seed, are you able to grow the plant? No, we cannot grow the plant. Sowing the seed is very much important step of growing plants. So for sowing the seed, to grow a good plant, to grow a healthy plant, we must sow healthy seeds. So that only gives you high yield, whatever it may be, flowers, fruits, anything. How can you identify the good seeds? Let me tell you one activity. First step is take some grains like channa, peas, gram in a bowl. Pour water into it. After some time, leave it. Hollow seeds will float on the surface of the water. The good and healthy seeds sink at the bottom. By this, we can identify the healthy seeds, and you can plant it and you can sow it and you can get more fruits and flowers. So in our home, usually we sow the seeds with our hand. Yes? If you want to grow a plant in a pot or in a ground, you will use a hand to sow the seeds. Yes? Yes. But in the farm fields, there are some traditional tools are used. Let us see what are they. See, in olden days, farmers have used a traditional tool for sowing the seeds. What is it? How it look like? Yes, it is a funnel-like shape with a pipe that was connected with a plug. So what the farmers are doing here? Can you see? Yes. Here farmers are putting the seeds in the funnel and it is going through the pipe and it is going and reaching the soil. Yes. So the tool used generally for showing shape is funnel-like. So this type of showing seed will not show the seeds in a proper distance and it won't put the seeds in a particular depth. The next thing is seed drill. Another one tool is used to show the seeds is seed drill. Okay. What is seed drill? How it look like? Where we can use that? So many questions are arising in your mind. Yes? Okay. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. So, how will you use the seed drill? This is a tractor attached seed drill. So, this tool can be attached with the tractor. So, what you are doing with that? So, in the seed drill, there is a pan-like structure. In that, farmers will put all the seeds. Okay, and it will show the seeds into the land in a proper distance and with proper depth. It ensures that seeds get covered by soil after sowing. So, this prevents the damage caused by birds. So, again, I want to tell you the difference between the traditional method of sowing and seed drill. So, in the traditional method of sowing, it randomly shows the seed. It is not maintaining any distance or depth. Okay. So, but in the seed drill, the seed drill machine shows seed at equal distance and depth. In the traditional method of sowing, the persons are needed to sow the seeds. But in the seed drill, the tractor with driver, that is enough for the sowing the seed. And for the traditional method of sowing, it consumes labors and labor charge and takes more time because humans only working there, so it takes much time. But in seed drill, there is a tractor driven, so it saves the time. And traditional method of sowing, the chances of maybe if a particular place more than heap of seeds have dropped, what will happen? At a single place, multiple plants will grow. It will become overgrowth. So it won't allow a good plant to grow. But in the seed drill, it avoids the overcrowding of plants. Now,